Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make money in trading. I think it's one of the first strategy I tried that really works. It's called the London breakout. I'm going to explain you how it works. Basically, in forex there are four main sessions every single day, and so you can basically trade forex every day, every hour. I'm going to show you something here. Not every day, during the weekends the market is closed, but let me show you here. First, I'm sorry about the noise, but I'm in my mom's basement, so it's gonna be a little bit noisy here. So basically the first sessions start at basically 11 p.m. It's of course in my time, I'm in Europe, Lisbon. First is Sydney session, then at the same time, almost 1 hour later, start the Tokyo session, and then start the London session. Is the session that have more movement, as you can see here, and then there is a New York session. So basically during the Tokyo session, I'm gonna show you, the market goes like this, go up and down a little bit, and then when the London session starts, usually the market start to go in a real direction. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to understand what are the limits of this area here while it's the Tokyo session. I'm sorry, I'm really bad writing. And we're going to see, okay, then when the London session starts, we're going to see, okay, it breaks, so we're going to do a trade here. We're going to put our stop loss here, our take profit here, and we're going to try to make some money. Let's see if it works or not. So I'm going to choose a pair that have British pound. These work better in, usually just work in pairs that have British pound. This one, British pound US dollar, is the one that have the smallest spread. Holy shit, negative spread, I never seen this one. But usually I trade British pound, Japanese yen. The spread is around 2 pips. I'm sorry about the noise again. So first we're gonna need an indicator. This is the website is tradingview.com. Is a free website you can use to track your trades, stuff like that. So we're gonna come here, add indicator, and I'm gonna search session, and this one, session on the chart. You just click and you see all these colors. Each color is related with one session. And then I'm gonna double click here, and I'm gonna remove the New York session. I don't want to show. And I'm gonna remove the Tokyo session, or maybe I'm gonna keep it. Okay, I'm gonna keep it. Holy shit, it's so much noise. I'm sorry, it's really windy here. I told you I lose my house, and now I'm in my mom's basement, you know, to save some money to put in the forex, you know. So basically the yellow line, no, the green one is London, the yellow is Tokyo, and this color here that is kind of greenish is the the time that are over one session to the other. So we will go back in time because you want to see this in 5 minutes candles. Put 5 minutes, and let's go back in time. Back in the day, you know, kids. Okay, let's go to the month, maybe, because you know that bullshit forex guys that try to teach you something and they always show, you know, kids, you buy here and you sell here. Now we're gonna go back in time and see this happening for real. We don't want that 2020 vision that you can know what's gonna happen in the future. Oh shit, my computer.
Hello guys! By subscribing to Carlos Branco channel, you're gonna get 2 inches closer to your goals. And remember, 2 inches always make a difference.
So here we are. Okay. So basically, yellow, we're gonna go now. First thing you want is, I'm gonna turn on here other option that is high and low. Okay, and now I'm gonna start to press to see until it's okay. This is the Tokyo session starting, and as you can see, usually don't go much up and down, just a little bit. It's kind of a range always. As you can see here, this is the maximum, this is the minimum, and I don't want to go too fast because we are waiting for the 7 a.m. At 7 a.m. the market will open in London. So sometimes it's 8 a.m. depending on this summertime or winter time. So basically what we want to do is we want to see the last 3 hours. Let's see if the market is gonna open. Okay, the market opened now. So we want to see last 3 hours. We go back in time, 3 hours. So it's 7, 6, 5, 4. And to help us, I'm gonna do a change here. And I'm gonna say that I want to see the Tokyo session. Here is still 4. I'm gonna say that I want it to start at 0. So, okay, perfect. 4 means is 5, 6, 7. Perfect. And now I'm gonna identify the high and the low. I'm gonna put what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put like couple pips. As you can see here, possibly the high was 121. I'm gonna put like 123, and I'm gonna put another line on one. It's 47. Okay, the minimum is 49, I think, but we want to put in 47. Couple pips distance. Okay, and now what's going to happen is, if the price go down here and the candle close under this area, we're gonna open a trade, and it's gonna be a short. And our stop loss gonna be here. In this case, it's 70 pips, which is quite big. I said that usually the market range, here the market actually went down. And if the price goes up, we're gonna do the opposite, and we're gonna do 1-to-1. The win ratio of this static is about 57%. So let's see, I'm gonna do a couple tests to show you. Okay, as you can see here, don't break our level, so we're gonna keep going. We're gonna wait for a candle to close above the level. Okay, perfect. So now we're gonna go on a long. Keep in mind, we will not win every single time. Some people will put this in the middle here. I'm gonna follow my rule, and I'm gonna put it here, and I'm gonna put now 1-to-1, and let's see what happens. Sometimes you want to put a little bit more pips because you're gonna pay the spread. You understand? Like if the spread here is 2. Sometimes we'll go in your direction 57% of the time. Sometimes we'll go down and hit the stop loss here. So sometimes you will need to wait 2 days until you close the trade, which is funny. As you can see, it's going up a little bit. Okay, let's see. And basically you can do this 1 time a day. Sometimes you're gonna lose, sometimes you're gonna win. Let's see if we win or not. We win. Okay, perfect. So we end up winning, and took us maybe, let's see, I think it was maybe a couple hours for what I see here. Yeah, it's in the end of the day. 18. Yeah, took us like maybe 10 hours, but it's okay, we win. So now we go to the next day. To be honest, I don't know what's going to happen. Soon we're gonna start to see the Tokyo session, and we're gonna do the same thing. I will just do 2 times because I don't want the video to be really boring. Okay, Tokyo session, 4 a.m. Perfect, plus 3 hours as you can see. I can go a little bit more. Oops, oh no, 6. Okay, I can go. Ooh, that's not good. Means our range gonna be really big. So basically I will not, or I will do it, I will not be lazy. Put one here. What you can do is you can create 2 stop orders or limit orders, and basically you wait for one to activate and then you cancel the other one. Okay, I think yeah, London session already starts here. We cross, so we go on a short. We go on a short, we put here, we put 77 pips, it is a lot. And we're gonna do like 1.2, how many pips here? 78. Okay, a little bit more, not much. Let's see if we win this one. I don't know what's going to happen. Maybe we're gonna lose. As I told you, I backtest this strategy and you're gonna win like 57% of the time. So I think it's quite good if you put 2% of your account. Okay, we win. Perfect. Lovely. We are lucky, of course. We will not win so often. But remember these steps. Put the reason why I ask you to put the lines here a little bit below the level, it's because of the spread. You don't want the candle to immediately open your trade. So you want to make sure that the candle really close after the level. So that's it, guys. See you next week.